Welcome to the official AI Hustle Club, where AI meets ambition and turns it into action. We don't hustle harder, we hustle smarter. Are you tired of spending hours designing content for Instagram that barely gets a like from your cat? Wish you could create eye-catching carousels that actually sell without being a design wizard or copywriting genius? Well, buckle up, because today you're going to learn how to create Instagram carousels that convert using nothing but ChatGPT and Canva. That's right, no design degree, no creative block, just smart AI tools and a sprinkle of strategy. Let's dive in. Why Instagram carousels matter. Instagram carousels are swipe-worthy gold mines. They get higher engagement than single posts, are perfect for storytelling, and make your audience actually pause and swipe. Think of them like a mini sales funnel in a swipeable format. And the best part? You don't need a creative agency or a social media intern to make them. Just you, ChatGPT, and Canva. Step 1. Planning your carousel. First things first, you need a solid structure. The best carousels follow a formula. Something like this. Slide 1, the hook. Grab attention. Make them stop scrolling. Slides 2 to 4, deliver value, tips, insights, a mini story. Slides 5 to 7, build curiosity or emotion. Think transformation, contrast, before, after. Slide 8, CTA. Ask them to follow, comment, or visit your bio. Let's say you're a digital marketer. Your hook might be, why 90% of ads fail, and how to fix yours in 3 slides. That'll make people swipe faster than your boss ignores your Slack messages. Step 2, writing content with ChatGPT. Now comes the fun part. Open ChatGPT and drop in this prompt. Write an Instagram carousel script for the topic. Why 90% of ads fail and how to fix them. Keep it short, punchy, and split it slide by slide with headers. Boom! You'll get a neatly structured script that sounds like you hired a $500 copywriter. But nope, it was you, your keyboard, and a polite robot. Let's see a real-life example. Real example, fitness coach carousel. Say you're a fitness coach. You type in, create a 7-slide Instagram carousel script for why your 30-minute workouts aren't working. ChatGPT responds, Slide 1, why your 30-minute workouts aren't working. Slide 2, you're not pushing intensity. Time not equals results. Slide 3, no progressive overload equals no progress. Slide 4, too much cardio, not enough strength. Slide 5, no consistency. 2x per week isn't enough. Slide 6, fix these and you'll see results fast. Slide 7, follow for smart fitness tips. Done. Copy-paste ready. Step 3, designing with Canva. Now head over to Canva. Search for Instagram carousel templates. You'll find hundreds of clean professional designs. No need to start from scratch. Pick a theme that fits your brand. Then just paste in the copy from ChatGPT slide by slide. Tweak the colors to match your vibe. Maybe toss in your logo and boom, you've got a banger carousel ready to post. Pro tip, use bold text, simple visuals, and leave space to breathe. This isn't War and Peace. It's Instagram. Keep it swipe-able and snackable. Bonus, add your personality. Want to stand out? Add personality? Throw in a bit of a humor. Use emojis. Even a well-placed meme can boost engagement. Like this fitness coach slide, 2x workouts per week won't get you abs. Just disappointment and a mildly guilty conscience. It's funny and true, because people don't want robotic advice. They want realness. Think ChatGPT for structure. You for spice. Real business humor example, solopreneur post. Here's a relatable one. How to stop doing everything as a solopreneur? ChatGPT writes, Slide 1, burnt out and broke? You might be a solopreneur. Slide 2, you're the CEO, CFO, CMO, and janitor. Slide 3, you can't scale if you're doing everything. Slide 4, automate repetitive tasks. Slide 5, outsource low-skill work. Slide 6, focus on high-leverage actions. Slide 7, follow for no BS business growth tips. Perfect mix of humor and value. Because let's face it, we've all been the chief everything officer. Scheduling and posting. Once your carousel is ready, don't post and pray. Schedule it using tools like Later, Buffer, or even Meta's Business Suite. Pick the right time, usually early morning or late evening, when your audience is most active. Pro tip: use the caption to expand on your carousel. Add relevant hashtags, ask a question to drive comments, and always include a CTA. Double tap if you've been there. Comment your favorite tip. Tag someone who needs this. Make the algorithm your wingman. Rinse and repeat. Build a system. Want to grow fast? Systemize it. Create 4 to 5 carousel scripts in ChatGPT at once. Design them in Canva over 1 to 2 hours. Schedule a week's worth of content in advance. This is how modern content creators stay consistent without burning out. Because success on Instagram isn't about posting randomly. It's about showing up strategically. Final thoughts. So there you have it. With ChatGPT for content, Canva for design, and a little strategy from you, you're now equipped to create Instagram carousels that get attention, engagement, and conversions without losing your mind or hiring a team. Remember, you don't need to be a designer. You just need to act like a smart one. So go ahead, open ChatGPT, pick a topic, start building your next viral carousel. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to follow AI Hustle Club for more smart content hacks like this. Your future self and your growing follower count will thank you.